Guys, I'm recording. This is why I was recording.
Yes,
Oh, there's some to serious.
TC.
What is it? Festival cool. Oh,
So cool.
blue.
Stitch.
We are on the way to this paper.
But T.
Samba no Ray. All right.
Yeah, Pila, kunjani?
Alright.
Ta khona
So specific of food.
Why we correct?
not no for.
Why we correct?
Mhlawumbe yabo mhlawumbe ya.
How benza?
Kulona.
Nishe omunye umntwana
Why?
kusasha. Hey. Yo,
Biyana mantombazane yoke.
drama after drama.
Makana kuwe. What a big you cat.
Drama after drama, guys. Remove izinto lezi. It's all in the car. Funa abantu bakubona. Athi sokuma bakubona. Ngamba dayi. Bengafuna ukuthi umngani because bazombopha. Abantu base YouTube akufuni ba-TikTok only bathi rate this rate that.
We.
Still improve. Stress. Improve. This is I'm
It's your first time actually in Limpopo.
That's my first time. When be.
Even new penda.
I told us about to Jorubella. It's crazy. So I asked you.
So okay guys, sishiya abanye abantwana shem.
Oh. Lamba ngenzo so till now baba emantsani. Ngiyathi mase ngekho la athi uzani ababize futhi. Ayenze ngazathi umuntu wrong.
Maybe mele sithole baselimpopo. New penthouse amasha aselimpopo.
Akhona manje
Akhona vele.
ngiyadlala uthi the question.
Bakhona ne bana basegoli. Basemall. Abaningi.
Bese good. Yeah, uyi.
Mara ngiyacela kona bakhona mara angazi ukuthi sobatholaphi. Angazi ukuthi sobathola.
Come on and give me.
Uzozamela.
Our journey to limbs. Our journey to limbs. It's about to be nice. It's about to go down. I mean, it's gonna melt my cheese.
I mean, look. You have never dated a baby hand, ne?
Angazi.
Maybe you'll find one.
Laba i-ice cream wayayazi.
Iyadliwa ice cream.
eLimpopo oza uzozibonela.
Asithembe zothola abantu aba-right.
You know my mom and my dad they watch the show. I mean, my mom and my dad they watch the show ne. Manje listen to melengizisho ne. Mara kutora bathi basiZulu na. Let me khuluma So yeah, I mean, maybe isikhathi sokuthi uthole umfazi womubili. Ozokunakekela. Uzokunakekela.
Yazi mina zothola imali. Uzoyathi sisukalile kulo uni. Sukalile kulo.
Skat mangwanyana. Tingwanyana.
Uzojela.
Hayi yabo. Usho lento sashayishiya. Akuseka buwale sasha.
Yeah,
Bathi sika kidira manye.
so under its lips.
Yeah, I'm loyal to that.
Lisa, I don't know how Lisa feel about this.
Why she must?
Us living here.
Why she?
But why mushile?
Pela Lisa siphosa. Lisa pela. Lisa she's not full time with us in the show.
Oh.
And asumfazi wami. And ushilo. Says 2 years.
After Robert. Before he came. Kubela follow fuck him.
I mean, did you watch the show? Oreo create on camera ukuthi uzoba umfazi wami in the penthouse full time and ingena nosasha abavayelana
Bengingangena straight.
Isena no Sasha abavumelani ukuthi or uSasha akamu-approve or akamvumeli or akamfuni abe khona. Mina ngizoyenza ukuthi usho sorry abe nendawo yakhe.
I go to you to the off guard.
Actually, off guard, you were ready. You were ready. I could
Also-
just by the way you were
also-
answering, you were ready.
No, so ufunani manje if ufunani because
Yeah.
ukamba nami we are going to vacation.
No, Ray, you ready, fish.
And thatha umbamba wena.
And the border made the lenza na I went to so. Yini kanjani?
Yini wethu kanjalo bhe.
Bengizokhethela Costa. Yabo, and the
Ngiyokhetha kanje why uthi?
Tsena mabo.
ziningi indlela zokukhela.
Leisure.
That's ngizane. Ka ulatela ama-light lawo phezulu so that uzobonakala kahle. She was cool.
Sibaba. Dlamini.
Why everyone Dlamini? Dlamini. Now we are the same thing, ne? What uthi uyamfuna?
Yo,
Ray umfundani.
angisho ngoluzo mina.
Webuza kusamfunde na.
Dlamini njengoba uyi esengicela ukuthi kube umfazi wakhe wesibili.
West Side. Yeah. Not West.
Wakhamisa.
Awuyazi. Are uyazi.
Xakeni, na mama yena wazi ukuthi wesibili.
Ure was umfazi wami before no uSasha. And uyamhlonipha Ure yazi into ngithanda Ure. Uhlonipha umfazi wami. Umfazi wami ushila ukuthi Ure uyamhlonipha naye.
Ene vele mbilo benjalo umuva wesibili. Hlonipha mankulu.
Yeah.
Sisi ndizwa hapa.
Yo.
Uyamlaka umuntu
Awusele semamfebe sika mankulu.
Uyalala namhlanje sasuvuka so 16.
Ure unenhlonipho kakhulu.
Wesusu number 3.
Awuyazi Ure phela. Okay.
Mara umuntu kata. Ngokuthabula.
Ako number 2 kuwena.
I-complain kaRine. Complain ukuthi dala akhona empilweni yami.
Yeah.
Mara number 3. Do you think we should
Kodwa kukho fe.
fix it?
Kove.
Yeah, no nami la.
Ayikove.
Zokhuluma noSasha right? So isele.
Ongifisa esithembile yabo.
Yeah?
Kunabantu ke after, kunabantu abafike after le.
Okay. Khuluma ungathi abantu siSasha. Uyamsaba.
Igama lomuntu inkomo.
Uyamsaba.
Alibiza.
Okay.
So uRay kumele abu number 2.
Okay, Edlamini, ngiyacela ne.
That's long as it is.
Sesibhuti wami. Ngicela sikhulume noSasha ngale ndaba.
Simhlale phansi naye.
Yeah, simbonise ukuthi Ure fika uqala.
And she deserves to be number 2.
Inkomo
Peggy. Quite. Saying quite clear.
How?
Dlamini ngakuphekela uphuthu. Kwathi umusi kwatile. Laphaya ependa kwatile.
Ile yami inkulumo uthe.
What's the wrong?
Yeah.
So uthi liphathi sisisi.
Yeah.
Ara walidla sishalo.
Lonke ngamara yebo.
so bothamba
Amanga lami.
awulalanga wena.
Ngalanga.
Awulalanga phela Dlamini.
Ngalanga.
Akalalanga mara kangibonanga bayihamba.
Langigijimisa.
Ungangibonanga.
Uthi awumbonanga mahamba.
Ah, shoot wahamba lesi sikhathi sangena ekamereni.
Unamanga.
Ngempela.
Dlamini ngumtrenisi.
Yini lele ngikhuluma iqiniso.
So Dlamini you promise ukuthi sokhuluma noSasha ngale
Lo
ndaba.
manje sale phansi naye lo.
Yeah?
La ngiyavuma sale phansi
Yeah.
naye simbonise.
Ayikho fe inkomo kumele se kwaNdebele kuqala. Yeah, you have a point.
Isendlela ebheneni.
So angithi sabi naye.
Oh.
Yeah, inkomo kumele siqale ku-Ray kwaNdebele.
Naye usasha
And anyway u-Ray umdala
nakusasha.
nokusasha.
Yebona-ke
Nisishayile nesizulu.
Nisishayile.
Umdala kusasha so wasisi wakhe uzombonisa ukuthi
Kanti
khanye ikhona indoda engadli.
phela umamkhulu usenokuhlala nje phansi athi yenza kanje ngoba yena vele unelungelo lokwenza njalo. Mezwe ngathi akafuna ukupheka.
Ene
Khombe wena.
ene
walathi lama
uRay unenhlonipho and umdala so uzokwazi ukuthi akhulume no Sasha amjongise izinto ambonise ukuthi
amkhulise futhi omseriya. No Ray kumele uyilungiselele ngempela ube number 2. Ngoba ukubuya kwethu le Limpopo manje sidlula lapha kwaMtana. Sesiyamemeza egate nasangena.
Manje ngithatha nje.
wa Hadebe.
Ivula mlomo siphethe ngezani. Envelope brown.
Hayi nkase. Bakwazi bani? Umuntu kasizela system.
Usasemusha sase fresh. Puleo. There is shop here by so better get something there.
Swanje точно. Pepa ta ka some sort che.
Ja, swafite. Okay. Yabo Tamini ne. As a man, it's very important to put umfazi azokunakekela. Someone who will make sure ukuthi impilo yakho iba easy deep
Joel.
the
way to it.
so zikhona izinto that as a man you're not supposed to do so that, because umfazi wakho uzokwenza la so that impilo yakho iba that's why umfazi melanga asifanise nawe umfazi indoda
Yes, lokho ngeke kusekushintsho. Atsoze nje bashi.
so once you find such a woman who compliments you who meets you halfway who becomes your partner, life becomes
Uma kuthiwa unzama kunzima kanjani. Kuba lula.
and umfazi kumele ahlakaniphe
Angalali phe kumqondo.
umfazi kumele azi ukuthi indoda mayiza endlini ne 5k no 30k no 20k mele ayenzele ngayo
Angaduma amasavana la ekhanda emthini.
angacabanga ukuya eKFC ngiyacabanga ukuthi yini
Basili station.
Saba. Ich konnte alles abnehmen.
so uthi
Izokuvele leli.
uthi faster lenza
If I started like a little bit, also askale lab. This is a shame. Baba.
Umuntu mayibona 10k abona izinto angazenzi yini.
Is it just last time?
Yebo.
And beneficial. Try some.
imagine iwindow liphukiwe limoshakile but mawuthola imali umfazi sayicabanga ukuthi
Savannah goes shopping.
do you understand
I never knew where.
I feel like
Suka icabangeni.
in a relationship people must build, you understand, they must build ezinye izinto should be small things man, like ama-takeaways nama-KFC nama-Nando's whatever, those should not be
Sitozokugcina.
yeah
Sitozokugcina lezo.
because they are not even expensive so they should not be
But they'll always be there.
Ayini yawo.
ke lifestyle melanga ibe priority mara intombi zamanje
Lapha. Apho uthazi lifestyle. Lapha.
ikhona into simele siyilungise. I feel like mawuhlala nentombi ne une more responsibility than mawuhlala uyi-one. As a gent if uhlala uyi-one there is no need ukuthi ube ne-pressure ngithi yokuthi awunani because you are alone.
Yes.
Mara mose uhlala nentombi, imagine intombi yakho ingenadatha manje sekacala uChris nokuphinda ukuthi amthengele idatha yabo wena ukhona
Labo vele ngithi mlungu ifana nokuba nomntwana. Yeah, ifana nokuba nomntwana.
so my point ukuthi
Awukhululeki.
mose uhlala nentombi thola i-Wi-Fi ukhokhela i-Wi-Fi
Yeah.
so that intombi yakho ikwazi ukuthi i-connecte, because if you don't have Wi-Fi and then uthenge idatha iyadura, you run out of money and then intombi yakho ingeke ibe nedatha uzocala umuntu
Uhambe kuChris.
ukuthi ayenzeni
Nalo.
amsendele idatha
And the mother sometimes now in Tombazane, now in Jesu, Yahala, Montauk. He should say, "Got a baby." Oh, what's called this? Tell you wife.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because i-Wi-Fi izokusavela imali. It's not expensive, izokusavela imali. Noma ungathola i-rain.
batala nenyanga.
Because bazokuchithela because of small things. And then the other thing, uzotala amthengile idatha, the next thing umthengile i-McDonald's, the next thing umthengile i-Nando's.
The next thing that they
Yebo.
The next thing baye ku-holiday. Sahamba nabo Lee,
Yebo.
nabo Dlamini.
Utabili kabona ihashe liyelo lipakile lapho uyahamba.
no comments.
Hayi comment.
Seba the next thing seba lilwele lihashi.
Yebo, sebeshayele lihashe.
Uhlanyiswa ihashi la ka
Yebo. Ngafile lihashe ngiyalifoni.
Ile hashtag nobility. Hashtag.
Ihashe likamlungu.
So, okay, my point is
Yiphi ihashe likhuluma ngani?
so my point is let's take care of our relationships, guys. Yabo? I want to bet banga ini kingi ukuzuma ka siZulu bangasebenzi.
Bangakhaleli izinto
Yes. Abantu bethu bangakhala. Yeah, abantu bethu bangahalele isinto sangaphandle.
Angabi nomphimbo omude.
Yabo? So let's try by all means ukuthi sibuild ama relationship wethu singahaleli kakhulu also. Ukhala kuyafunakala mara not kakhulu.
Hayi kakhulu.
And umuntu wakho mangazazi izinto phela abanye abantu abazazi. Abanye abantu phela abazazi lezi zinto lezi.
Uyamfundisa umuntu.
Lelo babonise. Sometimes umuntu wakho ukhathele iAlbani. Yeke uLwethu ukhathe uLwesi. Sometimes umuntu wakho ukhathele Some pie lawa amande bathini iKimpai or anything. Ukhathele
It tastes bad.
ukhathele uAlawa seKimpai. Ye uLwesi uthathe uthenge uLwesi. Sometimes once in a while.
Yeah.
Sometimes umuntu wakho kumele umthengele ama flowers. Sometimes kumele umthengele chocolate. You know, ungamathelanga. Uyabo?
Kungena occasion. Yes, your birthday actually. Oh yes, on a random day, on a random Wednesday.
Yes. Cause thina abantu omnyama sifuna udla ikhekhe when is your birthday. So ngimele lezi zinto lezi siyeke. Funa udla rice ngeChristmas or ngoSunday kuphela.
iRussell dayiyo laba yena.
Lamante, yes, you guys.
Nale sad yenu the cabbage ne very nice.
Oy coast. Ayisayile.
So we are not talking bad about people, Mara. We're just saying let's open our minds.
Nah.
And isn't though a lot of
it you start small.
and isn't though it's expensive. It's just us. Yeah, bro. Some things are not expensive, guys. Any advice ungayinika abafana that want to date people like you?
Naziya nemvulukizwe.
Damnation.
I want to hear this one.
They should work hard and have money so that life can be easier for them as for us. Yeah.
Are you saying ukuthi if umuntu phakasebenze or akana mali ngeke afford ukuba nawo? Uba
Inkinga yazi yani soba insecure ngoba mangimileti zobe ndini mastete ati nakiazi izoribiki lapho mkobi takes lapho zokuba kabang ske manle it takes kabang the model is young life lapho young license anxious good about inkinga why but you understand it.
And sometimes people like us it's not like it's sine ama intentions. Nazi ingoma izwa?
Seyiqalile iy'nkomo. Imfuyo kababa.
Ngiyakuzwa. So advice abantu ukuthi basebenze.
Yeah, people should work hard. Don't just cause you career tell it the whole career the day we just like them. Just cause you can pay take see how push as much as you can.
Mana ngithi egazi phela i-rent is 500 400, 300. So wow.
Right?
Yeah,
Save money. What if save more? Idwa. Upgrade. Progress. Uga. But
Wasa tebule ndo.
Kupuga. Futhi usaba. Lobo wena wathi so it's okay.
This is nabo days until.
Bona la.
Bangeni sebu people. Munda ordeni juice eli glass ngada le. What you want leave?
Long Island.
Oh, Long Island.
Yeah, let me ask you actually, guys. When you go to a restaurant, with a guy, do you guys judge the guy first? What say? I long egg for the this drink. I need a cocktail like I sugar. So, will you order the drink you want, or you think for him first, or you gonna ask him first? What say? Now how much is it?
No, not even. Okay, me. Okay, mine just uzo pimana business. Uzo order whatever I want, despite do timali. Yes, as long as me like learn my level account then I can order it. In case if ko ada afford get belle, is over for easy. Okay, all right. One side level.
Have you ever been in a situation where which that I got afford you? I say
Yeah,
No.
you have never been.
Futhi hamba nekaka. Wahamba lo kapati.
Yo ngathi ne.
Ngeke jokes.
Mara yo.
Yes, bakona lava, but I say you look like they can afford. Have you ever been? Have you ever taken someone like that?
I once sent 500 to a guy so that they can buy petrol to come see.
A petrol. Not taking him a taxi.
We funare.
Why am I making my taxi? I give it taxi. Oh, are you serious, Ray? Eh? Why am I image?
Clearly, but so born. Marangala money petrol.
So no, what you want now? Niveli to la
What's that is
Did he bring it back?
Think you would want to know the story?
Yeah.
No, he didn't. And he's a little case there. He only cashed out the next day when he was with me. And then he used that money. And then he used from that money, he gave me 100 rand to buy McDonald's.
Opechela the money yako. So I reaches.
Wamshia. Wamshia.
God.
Eh?
I do ayiko.
Send the link to Tima.
Oh, yeah, feel good in and charger.
No, yeah. Charge you. Just wanna hear your story. We pay like. That's not charging. I want to hear more. I got to see how that mind you.
Yeah, quite see how they. So,
be out. So 2 minutes go. It's
Spumile kali hatita. Senzomshia.
Who's being cool, managa?
Have you ever guys went to Mashonisa to borrow money for your partner?
I've never. I would never. I've never went to Mashonisa for myself.
Let it go for someone.
No.
There's a call na manyama chita that boat just to impress. You don't pass.
I feel like how much that is low self-esteem. Mone low self-esteem uzwenza everything to make sure ukuthi uyakuthanda.
Separate ways. Yeah, give.
Mina at this age I feel like I prefer or manje ne. I prefer ukuthi umuntu mangidibana naye angazi ukuthi nginani. Yeah. Or ngizele nge-item yami. Akufuna abantu wathi like ingaze nge-Mustang or whatever.
Kodwa abantu besifazane ngathi khona le spiritual eye bakhona ukubona iMustang ibhakile.
No, together.
bakhona ukubona i-Mustang isegarage wena ufike nge-I10. Umbona umuntu esebambelela uyibuza hayibulo umntana lo usebonile ifilile.
And amantombazana ngathi they can smell your pockets. Ukuthi lo
Bayizwa vele.
Hayibo.
Bayizwa.
Ntombazane phela.
ngibona kanjani ukuthi umuntu enemali?
Phakathi.
Ha, ngibona kanjani ukuthi into enemali?
Sikhona ukubona ukuthi nemali athi le nemali.
Abebodo.
Yes, Sudan.
You guys can smell. You can smell ukuthi awuphinda uyasebenza.
Yebo.
Bambi
Ngingafona. Akube sefaka amazinyo. Bayindo. Yawathi ngci amazinyo.
Ngisho Dlamini kunjani ejimi manje?
Khona
Bayadunuza ngisho.
eyimlungu.
Ungayi lapho. Don't go there.
Udlala udunudu.
Don't go there.
Will you ever date in the gym?
Angeke.
Why?
Why?
Izinto ezenzeka ejimini mina hayi ngeke hey.
Kwenzakala nejimi ya
Ejimini. Hayi ungcolile.
Awa.
Hayi kwethu kuphela futhi ama-gym wonke. Ama-gym wonke.
Ungolile. Ngifuna ujoin ijimi manje sewa.
No, ungayijoyina i-gym ku-right ukujoyina i-gym. But if umuntu wakho ufuna ujoyina i-gym, make sure ukuthi uhamba naye.
For real?
Yeah, hamba nomuntu wakhe e-gym.
Hani bamudunisisa kumechini nasemuva.
Hey, bamshayisa amanye ama-exercise ubona inkomo ihleli ngaphandle ukuthi le inkomo ya. Izinini kuzo-exchange amanamba obvious angithi
So that you can, yeah, so that you can inform me
nje
when I'm on my way.
ngakho
Bazokubuza. Wake up.
Wake up.
And mina ngifuna ujimi yabona ukuthi uyamthola kanjani. Ngifuna ukuthi
wena ngingayimosho right.
Uchimela ndi? Uchimela?
ngijimelani? Ngijimela ukuthi
Kalo ngoChris ethu ufuna
ngibe kawanani. Kuthi fit and healthy.
yes.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a nice.
Yabo Dlamini bona makubanda bashala ngama-vest Dlamini. The road is still long. Still have a long stretch. So ngamabiwa for training him. Mama. Kabaguzo. Mama.
Hello. Baba.
Sibonga ukuthi yasinakekela la endleleni for ezinto zenos. Yabo sifokuzisa amanzi usaya everything la. So
that you can stay fresh.
siyabonga.
Hydrated.
Siyabonga. Yakwazi ukunakekela indoda.
Yeah. Azo zonke indlela. Ayela.
Siyabonga wegedi indlela. Seyindlela indlela.
Sindele inside the cake. Oh, worry.
Say
Yes, this is sorry.
Lo mqondo ongcolile Ray.
I'm sorry for me.
Mara labo yibo bafunakala so that mondoda ungabhoreki.
Yeah.
Umama kumele akwazi athi ukusithoba and kumele akwazi ukuba nothi.
Asenothi futhi.
Yeah.
Kodwa akwenze kuphela kwenzela wena.
Exactly. Yabo.
Sibona na. So
Guys, I wanted to stop this thing at 12.
Yeah.
isimali saka Ray ngathi madami nalapho. Issue.
Yekala Dlamini.
Awungiyamncoma mlungu.
Guys, sesayabala le show.
Ayivala.
Ama Magnum kumele avuke.